All right, this guy, you're not gonna believe what the price I let him grind. Talk. I was just driving by. He was out here cleaning up around the stump. We had a storm going down last week. It's a willow tree, big thing. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty big stump. Some roots are over here. You're not gonna believe the price I let him talk me down to. Take a guess in the comments. The cheapest price you would ever do a stump like that for. Let me know. All right, we're 12 minutes into it. I just checked the time on the timestamp. I did that little stump up the hill there, and did this big guy here. So 12 minutes. That's all it took. Rotten willow. I knew it was going to go quick. Big machine helps. Let me know what you think it's worth.